Welcome to another segment. This is the question that comes in paper 1, and we're going to look at the transpose of a matrix and as well as multiplication of matrices. So we have the matrix M, which is 1, 5, 2, 7, and the matrix N, which is 0, 1, 2, 0. Then they're asking us to find M transpose. B, find NM. So when you just see M with a cartoon on top there, just know that they are looking for the transpose of M. Then NM, that simply means matrix N multiplied by matrix M. Okay, let's start. So how do we find a transpose of a matrix? So a transpose of a matrix is found by replacing the rows by the columns, and columns are being replaced by the rows. So we have matrix M, which is 1, 5, 2, and 7. Then they're telling us to find the M transpose. So our M transpose, this is our row and this is our column. So this row is going to become our column this side. So that means we are going to have 1 here, then this 5 will come down here. Then this column will become our row. So we will have 1 here and these 2 will come here. Okay. We go into the other one. This is your column and this is your row. So this row will replace this column and this column will replace this row. So these 2 will go on top, which is already there. Then this 7 is going to come there. Even vice versa, you're still going to have the same. This 5 will come here and the 7 is going to be there. So this is the transpose. So the only thing that is here is that a row replaces a column and a column replaces a row. I'll give another example of matrix A, which has got 1, 2, 3. When finding A transpose, that means these, they are going to become our column. So you have 1, 2, and 3. Just like that, this one becomes our transpose. So any question that you find talking about transpose, this is how you go about the transpose. Okay, so let's also look at the multiplication part of matrices. So how do we multiply the matrices? So they are telling us to find NM. So NM is equal to the one which is starting it is N, which is a 0, 1, 2, 0. Then followed by M, which is a 1, 5, 2, 7. So here multiplication goes row by a column. So this row should multiply the column. This row should multiply a column. This row should multiply a column. Just like that. So NM is equal to, so I'm going to multiply 0 times 1, it is 0, plus 1 times 2, that is a 2. So we are done with the first one. We shall use the same first row with the second column, which are going to have 0 times 5, you are going to have 0, plus 1 times 7, you are going to have the 7. So we are done with the first one. We go to the second one here. So row again by the first column. So 2 times 1, that is a 2, plus 0 times 2, that is a 0. Then we multiply again second row with the second column there. So I'm going to have 2 times 5, that is going to give you 10. Then plus 0 times 7, that is going to be a 0. 0 times 7, that is a 0. So now NM is going to be this plus this, that is 2, 0 plus 7, that is 7, 2 plus 0, that is 2, 10 plus 0, that is 10. So this is the answer. So whenever you're multiplying, you consider row by column operation. So the row must multiply the column, and you're going to have your first number there. Then again, the first row multiplied by the second column, you're going to have this number which will be in the first row but found in the second column. Then we come here, second row, first column. So you're going to have the number that is going to be in the second row but still in the first column. Then again, second row times second column. So it should be in the second column, also in the second row, and also in the second column. And this is how the numbers are going to line up. This is all about multiplication and finding a transpose of a matrix. So most of the questions, if you have other questions that are pertaining to this subtopic, please feel free to inbox me. We'll be able to help you how to solve those questions. But this is the only thing that is found under the multiplication of matrices and finding the transpose of a matrix.